All right, just where we left off. You are now on the career path, and the last process for today is we need to select some things on this page. As I talked about at the end of the last video, there are some I's for interest, V for values. Please pick which career cluster is of highest interest to you. For my sake today, I'm going to say, wow, I'd love to work in the field of education. So I'm going to click Education and Training, and then I scroll down, and now it presents me with a different pathway to choose. So for example, I have administration and administrative support, and professional support services, teacher training. You may have a variety of things here. So now I can hover over them, and it gives me more information about what that particular pathway is, and then I'm going to choose which pathway appeals to me. Now I scroll down, and I also have lots of different careers that are within that pathway. So you can tell that we keep like narrowing down our focus. And you have to choose at least one, but you could choose multiple careers that as of right now you're interested in and you'd like to find out more. So please go through. All of them are live links that you could indeed a window will open, or it'll take you to a new place where it'll give you some background information. It will give you the basic information, job description. It'll give you salary information. There are some videos of people who actually work in those jobs. So please feel free to check as many as you would like. And when you're done with those checkings, please hit save and continue. Oops, it logged me out. Lack of activity. Okay, so I am going to make sure, okay, for our purposes, bear with me here. And one good lesson is if you are inactive for a little bit, it will log you out. All right, now I've got to move that again. I'm going to be getting real good at this by the end here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to where I was before. Okay, just bear with me, please. All right, I'm going to hit, this is where I marked careers I'm interested in also. I'm going to hit that save and continue, and then I come to the sample 4-year plan. And this is our ending point for today. I will pick up from this tomorrow. Please use this time to go through the videos, and I highly recommend kind of pause and keep your information going. Stop my videos whenever possible and take it in small chunks, because I know it is a lot. We are completing a state requirement, so it's super important that you follow through, and it also gives us really good information as we guide you into what path of classes you'd like to take and other career exploration things. Have a good day. We'll see you soon.